Good morning, students. I just wanted to take a couple minutes and remind you about absolute value. Some of you are still missing this. I hope you're watching the videos and paying attention to them, but I want you to remember this. Absolute value is when a number looks like it's in jail. It's between two lines. Anytime you see a number between these two lines like this, it means absolute value of that number. So when a number comes out of jail, it is always going to be positive. You should be in a positive mood when you come out of jail. You should always be positive. So no matter if the number is positive or negative, the absolute value is always positive. So the absolute value of positive 5 is positive 5. The absolute value of negative 5 is positive 5. Remember, absolute value means the distance from 0, and distance can never be negative. So absolute value, anytime you see those lines, your answer should be positive. Make sure it's always positive. If you have any questions or concerns, remember you can contact me. I have a phone number listed and an email address, or you can comment on Google Classroom. Please let me know if you have any other questions, and y'all have a great day. Take care.